Are you interested in using drones for legal security, surveillance, and other professional purposes? Let's explore some of the best drones designed for safety and security, okay? And then you can look them up, but I'll give you the best list, okay? Now, drones have become essential as a tool for law enforcement, for private security, for businesses, offering easy to use technology for monitoring large areas. So, whether you need to patrol a property or gather critical surveillance footage, the right drone can make all the difference. So, here are the best five. You got the DJI Matrice 300 RTK. It's a top choice for security professionals with long flight times, high quality cameras, and excellent stability. Another one you might want to check out is the Autel Robotics Evo 2 Dual. I don't know if you heard about it. This drone offers thermal and optical cameras, making it perfect for nighttime surveillance and emergency situations. You got the Parrot Anafi USA, known for its lightweight design, thermal imaging, and high resolution camera, making it ideal for security and search missions. You got the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2O 2.0. It's a reliable, user-friendly drone that offers high-resolution cameras and stability for detailed surveillance tasks. And there's also the Unique Typhoon H3. I don't know if you heard of that one. It's designed for high-end surveillance. It provides clear imaging and long-range capabilities, perfect for both law enforcement and security professionals. These drones provide top-notch features for enhancing security, surveillance, and a lot more, making them valuable as an investment for professionals in the field. Now, I'll put these names in the description, and if you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.